Your LinkedIn profile is working against you right now, and you don't even know it. Most QA testers have a LinkedIn that looks like a copied resume, a list of job titles, a skills section full of tools, and an about section that says, experienced QA professional with a passion for quality. Recruiters search LinkedIn every single day looking for QA engineers. If your profile isn't optimized, they scroll right past you. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to fix the 4 sections that matter most in under 30 minutes. Here's something most people don't realize. Recruiters don't wait for you to apply. They search LinkedIn for candidates using keywords. If those keywords aren't in your profile, you are invisible to them, even if you're perfectly qualified. Your resume gets seen when you apply. Your LinkedIn gets seen when recruiters are actively hunting. That means LinkedIn is actually more important than your resume for getting found. And AI can optimize every section of it in minutes. There are 4 sections that recruiters look at, and that LinkedIn's algorithm uses to rank you in search results. 1. Your headline. It's the first thing anyone sees. Most QA testers waste it by writing their job title. 2. Your about section. This is your pitch. Most people either leave it blank or write 3 sentences that say nothing. 3. Your experience bullets. Same problem as your resume. Vague duties with no impact. 4. Your skills section. LinkedIn ranks you higher in searches when your skills match what recruiters are searching for. We're going to fix all 4 with AI. Your headline should do 3 things. Tell recruiters what you do, show what makes you valuable, and include the keywords they're searching for. Here's the prompt. Write 3 LinkedIn headline options for a QA engineer with X years of experience in your specialty such as automation, manual, API testing. Each headline should be under 220 characters, include relevant keywords, and communicate clear value. Do not just write a job title. Here's the difference. Before, QA engineer at Tech Corp. After, QA engineer, Selenium and API testing, cutting defect rates with automation, open to new opportunities. The second one shows up in recruiter searches. The first one doesn't. The About section is the most underused section on LinkedIn. Most people either skip it or write something so generic it could belong to anyone. Here's the prompt. Write a LinkedIn About section for a QA engineer. Use this information. Paste your experience, specialty, key achievements. Keep it to 3 short paragraphs. Open with a hook, not I am. Show personality. End with what I am looking for or open to. The key instruction is open with a hook, not I am. That one rule eliminates the most common mistake on LinkedIn instantly. What you get is a section that sounds like a real person, not a job application. Now let's talk about your experience bullets, because most QA testers make one big mistake here. They copy their resume straight into LinkedIn and call it done. That's a problem. Your resume is written for a hiring manager who is reading it carefully. Your LinkedIn is read by a recruiter who is scanning fast, and by LinkedIn's algorithm, which is deciding whether to show your profile at all. So your bullets need to do 2 things at once. Show measurable impact, so the recruiter stops scrolling, and contain the right keywords, so LinkedIn's algorithm surfaces you in the first place. Here's the prompt that does both. Rewrite this experience bullet for a LinkedIn profile. Keep the numbers and impact, but make the tone slightly more conversational than a formal resume. Make sure it includes relevant QA keywords a recruiter would search for. Let me show you what that looks like. Before, performed regression testing on the web application. That's a resume duty. Passive, vague, no keywords, no impact. After, built and maintained a 200+ test case regression suite using Selenium, cutting post-release defect rates by 35% across 3 agile sprint cycles. Same experience, but now it has a number, 35%. It has a tool, Selenium. It has a methodology, Agile. 3 things a recruiter searches for, and it still reads like a person wrote it, not a job description. Do this for your top 3 to 5 experience bullets. LinkedIn's search algorithm ranks profiles partly based on skills. If a recruiter searches for Selenium Automation QA, and that phrase isn't in your skills section, you drop in the results. Here's the prompt. I am a QA engineer. Here is a job description I want to be found for. List the top 15 LinkedIn skills I should add to my profile. to rank higher in recruiter searches for this type of role. Then add those skills to your LinkedIn skills section. Prioritize the ones that appear most often across multiple job postings in your area. This one step alone can double how often you show up in recruiter searches. Let me show you the full transformation. Same person, same experience. Before, headline says QA tester. About section says experienced QA professional with a passion for quality. Experience says performed regression testing. After, headline says QA engineer, Selenium and Cypress, reducing defect escape rates, open to opportunities. About opens with 5 years ago I caught a P1 defect 20 minutes before a major release. Experience says reduced post-release defect rate by 35% by building a 200 test regression suite. Same career, one profile gets found, the other doesn't. Here is your 30-minute LinkedIn action plan. Open your LinkedIn profile right now. Start with the headline. It takes 5 minutes and it's the highest impact change you can make. Then do the About section, the experience bullets, and the skills. Each one has a free prompt in the description. Drop a comment below with your current LinkedIn headline. I'll tell you exactly how to improve it. Next video, how to use AI to negotiate a higher salary. Subscribe so you don't miss it.